So Ragini, that is a new administrative block. Okay. So here only the administration people will be there. The place where you are going. I think this work just got completed. I think the people will move. I think still some final finishing work is getting done. Okay. So let's move to the computer science department. So only the administration people will be there. So around, as I've told by, right now there are 900 teachers are there for faculty members. So faculty and teachers. In this IIT Kanpur, around 900 teachers are there to teach the students, right? And also around 9,000 students are there. Chalo. I think that is getting. So this is a new administrative block. Administration of the faculties and other people will be there, right? So I will show you our. Right now administrative and faculty building is in mix. Okay, so now all the administrative people will be moving here. Only the faculty will be there in that faculty building. In faculty building, what is the meaning of faculty building? Faculty means teachers, right? Teachers building. So every teacher is generally given one room to stay, to keep their books, right, and all. So one room is given to each teacher generally. I am talking in the broad sense, right? Okay, and this is called skywalk. What is this? Skywalk. You're walking in the sky, Ayush. Hey, no touching. No? Ragini and Ayush, please see. This is the academic section. Okay, academic building. Can you see this? Or a faculty building, I guess. This is called faculty building. This building is called the faculty building. So here, all the faculties are generally given one room where they can keep their whatever the books and all, and also for the office kind of thing. Okay, and right now administrative people also, right? Those who administer the payroll, grades and all, they also sit here, but they will be moving, I think, in this building, new academic building, a new administrative block. So here only the faculty will be sitting here. Okay, so this is called faculty block. Hey, can you see this faculty block? And can you see the round stair? Round?
No, it's like
Spiral. But but I find it very dangerous. I don't know why. It looks dangerous to me. Yeah, it's dangerous, man. This is the famous computer center of IIT Kanpur. Once it was number 1 branch in the whole India for computer. Okay. Right now I don't know what is the rank. Okay. Yeah. Earlier this was Ragini. Earlier this was used to be the only building for computer. Now they have another building for computer, I guess. Let me just see. Come here. Hey, come here. So this is the old computer building. So here you used to come for our computer exam, and also this is the computer center. Okay. And now Vigyan and Science Department of Science hai wo. HK Khadim Diwan building. Yeah, this is the computer center.
When did you learn to create an HTML?
When in the college only. Yeah, so this is the computer center. Okay.
And it says grade.
Yeah.
Grade is also there.
Yeah. Okay. So this is a computer center. यहाँ पे एक computer science building है ये. अब इसके बाजू यहाँ देखिए ये computer science building है. इसके बाजू में एक नई बिल्डिंग बन गई है जिसका नाम है HR खादिम दीवान बिल्डिंग, और ये है संगणक विज्ञान एवं अभियांत्रिकी विभाग, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग करके एक बिल्डिंग बन गया है. ये नई बिल्डिंग लग रही है. तो ये भी बन गया है भाई. तो ये पुरानी कंप्यूटर साइंस बिल्डिंग की ये, यानी कि अब डबल बन गया हर चीज़. ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. या गुड. So this is the Department of Humanities and Social Science. Hey, can you just move? Okay. Department of Humanity and Social Science. It has what subjects? English, sociology,
What
fine
is
arts.
sociology, Papa?
Sociology means social science, how the society is there. Philosophy, psychology department, and these are the teachers available here. Okay, they teach the engineers different aspects of the English, sociology, right? And this is also very important. Okay, and all the faculty.
I don't know Hindi.
Yeah. Ragni, can you come here? Just see. See, this is a typical notice board, and these are the typical rooms which are given to the faculty member. Okay, yeah, and we have nice stories and the different papers, right, which are published. Are all, and these are like if you are a faculty, you are given this kind of room in the faculty building.
Why in the sixth floor?
No, this is different department are given in the different floor. Okay, this is the humanities department.
Humanities?
Humanities means by psychology, social science,
No.
English, right? Yeah. So these are the departments. Yeah. And this is the view from the 6th floor, from the faculty building. So do you understand why this faculty building? And come here, I will show you the solar panel installed. See, there is a solar panel installed to produce the electricity. Okay, and these are the new buildings which have come up, and lot of solar panels are installed to produce the electricity. Okay, so
They only look like they
so in this building, yeah. So let's move from here. 9th December 2024, and Ragni, Ayush, and Vyom all have come to the Department of Physics, IIT Kanpur. Okay, this is the different scientific papers they have published from our faculty, and also this is the Department of Physics, IIT Kanpur, 3rd floor, faculty building. Yeah, this is this one, and this is me in the Department of Physics, and also the Department of Physics. Okay, yeah. So this is the library and library entrance. Right now it is called P.K. Kelkar Library, on the honor of our first director P.K. Kelkar. Yeah, this is a journals, lots of journals in the library, and I don't know Tibet. He's a Tibetan leader. So lots of journal on different even Sanskrit is there. I don't know. So what all subjects are there, na? So the IF, Sainik Samachar. So lots of journals are there on all the different subjects, mathematics, capital market, right, economics. And now after medical will come, then medical will be also be there. Except medical, everything is there. Yeah, come here. The IIT Kanpur publications, different books published by the IIT Kanpur professors and other thing. So lots of on the different subjects and topics. Yeah, these are the newspaper section of library. Okay, so this is the newspaper section. Yeah, all the different newspaper are here. Okay, yeah, this is the Apollo 13, right? Apollo. Yeah. This is the hey, Verma. This is the moon landing, Apollo 13, I guess. Yeah. Scale model 1/10 of actual size of the lunar module Eagle, in which the Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin made the man's first landing on the moon July 21st, 1969. Presented to IIT Kanpur by His Excellency Kenneth B. Keating, Ambassador of the USA, on October 26, 1970. Yeah, come here. This is Ayush, this is a lunar module. This name is Eagle. 1/10 of the actual size. Landed. Yeah. Which landed on July 21st, 1969. Yeah. And this is India map. Yeah, it got some broken. Yeah, right. India map. Yeah, globe. Yeah. Yeah, these are the various globes which are there in IIT Kanpur publication books, right? Published books. Then yeah, this is a globe of, this is Earth globe, and also this is the constellations, right? Yeah, and this is the geographical map, and also the map. This is a globe. Various kind of globes are there. Yeah, and also this is the another portion of the library. Yeah. So yeah. So for the for the searching the books now, you can see Ayush, for search, look here, for searching the books now you can use the computer. You search the name of the book, then it will give you the location of the book. Like, see, there is a number written over here, no? You can go to that rack, then you can pick the book. Okay. Yeah. Ragini, can you help in arranging the book? Yeah. So you need to push it like this. Yeah. Create a space. Yeah. Keep it here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Don't touch the book. Yeah. See it from a distance only. Okay. Yeah.